Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change region in Valorant. So basically, you just need to open your internet browser you often use, go to the search bar, and you just need to type right here Riot Support. So type on the search box and you just have to tap on the search icon right here at the bottom right corner. So from here, you'll find the link, but all I want you to do right here, you just need to tap on the Valorant right here at the bottom of Riot Game Support. And then you will be directly go here on this page. Now, all you need to do is you just have to scroll down right here. So you'll find a submit a ticket button. So you just need to tap on that. And then you will go here on this page. You can see if you scroll down, you'll find here choose a request type. So just need to choose account management and data request. And then you will go on the next page. You can see if you scroll down, you'll find this message saying you must be logged in before you can submit a type of ticket. So you must sign in first your Riot account. Now once you've done signing in your account, you will now go on the next page. And here you just need to verify your email. And once you've done right here, you will now go on the page where you now continue to fill up all the fields right here. So basically, you just need to enter here your subject. So you just need to tap on that and type account region. So tap on the subject box and type account region right here. Then you will now go to the description box and right here you can type, "Hi, I choose the wrong region." So type, "I chose the wrong region" from here. Then we're going to continue typing, "Could you help me please, or could you please help me to change the region to," and then you have to insert the region there. So you just need to type right here, the same as your description. And then on the next box, as you can see, please select your inquiry. So we're gonna choose right here, account management. And then on the next box, please select your inquiry. So we're gonna choose right here, need help changing region of residence. And once you've done, as you can see, we have here an option to update your region of residence. You can tap on that check button. You can attach a photo right there, or you can now submit your ticket. And once you finish filling up all the fields right here, just need to wait for the Riot support. And that's it. That's how you basically change region in Valorant. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.